Rivers people, Ogonis, Ijos, and the Igbos, who makes up Rivers State, you can't take us for granted.
So the Rivers State Igbos are denying they are not Igbos.
They are Igbos.
Yeah. How can you say they have been? Where say they have been? What language are they speaking? Benin language. What name are they answering? Is it Bunwa? Is this Oba Bunwa? I don't know what Bunwa means, but I know that is Igbo. So I don't know what Bunwa means. Is it Bunwa? Nyesom Wike. Is it Oba Bunwa? The people that do not know their identity. Man, the throne that I'm sitting now, that you are seeing, the throne, is an Abba from Obo. I cannot deny, I might not like the characters of Igbo people around, but I cannot, because of that, reject my Igbo identity. I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein, I have Igbo DNA. It's a Bunwa, it's not Oba Bunwa. These are the characters that the president, Bola Tinubu, is who are even denying where they come from. For whatever reason, Amechi is this thing. Wike is this thing. Which of them is answering the Benin? Peke. That about Benin. Hey, they are Benin people, everybody is peke.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Asari Dokubo, Mujahid Asari Dokubo, one of the prominent sons of Rivers State, mocking the Ikwerre Igbo deniers in that video. And you heard him say that Rivers State is made up of 3 prominent ethnic groups. He talked about the Ogoni, the Ijo, and the Igbo. He said although the Rivers Igbos are not denying that they are not Igbo, the Ikwerres are saying they are not Igbo. You say, but they are Igbo. Of course, you may not like Asari Dokubo, his way of talking and all that. But the fact remains that if you are Ikwerre in Rivers State, you cannot convince Asari Dokubo that you are not Igbo. Then what made you think you will be successful in convincing somebody in Abuja, or somebody in Sokoto, or somebody in Lagos that you are not Igbo? That was the biggest takeaway from that video by Asari Dokubo. He was insisting that Ikwerre is Igbo. And he has his points for that. And so those who are saying that they are not Igbo, the Ikwerres, especially those who are saying they are not Igbos among the Ikwerres, because I know that a whole lot of Ikwerres are very proud Igbos. Okay, but those of them who are not, who say they are not Igbo, those are the ones that Asari Dokubo was mocking them, because they were lying. They are selling falsehood, and nobody is going to buy it. They are just telling that lies to themselves, apparently. If you cannot convince your next door neighbor of your identity, and he's telling you, we know who you are, then you know that you are fighting a lost battle. Now, this Asari Dokubo's video came in handy at a time when some Ikwerres are still angry. Some, I say some, not all Ikwerres, some are still angry that Azuta-Mbata emerged the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Now the apex decision-making body of Ikwerre ethnic nationality in Rivers State, Ogbakor Ikwerre, said that they have stripped Azuta-Mbata all the honors, recognitions, and titles bestowed on him in the past. They have withdrawn it. I don't know whether they are entitled given authority. Ogbakor Ikwerre said they have removed it since the Azuta-Mbata emerged President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. The group also barred Senator Azuta-Mbata from participating in all Ikwerre activities, such as meetings or political representation, starting from his hometown, Eneka community in Apara Kingdom, in Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide. They accused Senator Azuta-Mbata, who represented Rivers East Senatorial District at the National Assembly between 1999 and 2007, of committing a sacrilege against Ikwerre land for accepting to head the Ohanaeze Ndigbo. The President General of Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide, God's Power Onwebu, in a statement jointly signed by Nyesom Philip, Secretary General, said that the disciplinary actions taken against Mbata was informed by his decision to contest and eventually becoming the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. And they also went to a ridiculous extent to say, and I quote, "We call on the international community, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Rivers State Governor Similaye Fubara, GSSRS, His Royal Majesty Eze Nwolu OSSRS, JP, Chairman, Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, and all lovers of Iwura, that Senator John Azuta-Mbata has ceased to represent, speak, and act on behalf of Ikwerre ethnic nationality." Now, as far as I know, Azuta-Mbata, before his emergence as Ohanaeze Ndigbo President General, he was not known to speak for Ikwerre nation. So what is all this noise about that? He's no longer speaking for them. Azuta-Mbata, as far as I can see, had been laid back since he left the Senate, doing his own thing, running his business. Okay, so what's all the noise that he doesn't speak with Ikwerre again? But the truth of the matter remains that the Ikwerre itself, the Ikwerre leaders, the founding fathers of Ikwerre, were among the founding fathers of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. And all those years that they were part of the founding fathers of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, there had never been any issue about Ikwerre land not accepting them. The famous Ikwerre son, the most famous politically, the most famous Ikwerre son is Dr. Obiwale. Dr. Obiwale is a founding member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You have people like Chief Emma Aguma. You have Chief Sisi Uche. These are all Ikwerre sons and daughters. These are all Ikwerre sons. So they were part of the founding members of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So Ikwerre is not new to being part of Ohanaeze. So it's not something that was started in 1999 when Nigeria returned to democracy. No, it had been there. Ohanaeze Ndigbo had been there and the Ikwerre had been part of it. But for the people of today, the leaders, some sons and daughters of Ikwerre, to pretend that this is a new thing. They were there also when Barrister Uche was Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. But what did they do? Did they ostracize him? Did they strip him of all his titles and whatever? When Okuku was Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Was this noise about committing sacrilege? In what way is Ikwerre, as a subset of the Igbo race, superior to other Igbos, that is a sacrilege for them to lead Ohanaeze? In what way, in which area of human endeavor, Ikwerre as a subset have been able to do better than other Igbos in Nigeria and around the world, that will make them feel superior, that an Ikwerre son heading Ohanaeze is a sacrilege, they have done something against the gods? In what way? If not just to make unnecessary noise that doesn't hold water anywhere. In any case, like I said in the intro, if you, as Ikwerre Igbo denier, you cannot convince Asari Dokubo that you are not Igbo, you have lost the battle already. You are just telling yourself the lies you want to hear. And Asari Dokubo captured it very well. Say, okay, go to Benin now. Why don't you be bearing Benin names? So that you can link back to your ancestors. You know, Asari Dokubo made a lot of sense in that short clip. It made a lot of sense that these people are Igbos. And that is what all of them in Rivers State know them as. So Asari Dokubo, who is a leader in that state, said this Rivers has three major ethnic groups: the Ogonis, the Ijaws, and the Igbos. He said even though the Ikwerre said they are not Igbo, but they are Igbos. That settles everything. And those of them who are claiming that they are not Igbo should be embarrassed by that. Asari Dokubo has embarrassed them. And that should have made them, that's a sign that they should just shut up and go about their business. After all, Azuta-Mbata will be in charge just for a few years, and Rivers State will pass. It will return to another state. That's the way I say it. But the important thing is that Asari Dokubo has settled the matter for the Ikwerre Igbo deniers. They can continue to deceive themselves, but Asari Dokubo have told them, we know who you are. And he, you know how it's a job he took on Tinubu to say these people who are denying their identities, these are the people that Tinubu is surrounding himself with. But that's by the way. So that's my take. Asari Dokubo as an answer to all the noise about stripping Azuta-Mbata of all his titles by the Ikwerre, by the Ogbakor Ikwerre Association. What do you think about this? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you.